watching Fox 13, Tampa Bay's #1 news station.
More than 950 kids were exposed to all kinds of art today.
Yeah, for 3 hours, the students played and danced, all while learning. Let's not tell them they were learning, but they were learning the whole time. Fox 13 photojournalist Barry Wong takes us to something called BAMFest.
The arts are so important. They help people become well-rounded. We are outside the Mahaffey Theater, and we are having a BAM Festival, which stands for Books, Art, and Music. We started the BAM festivals after the pandemic. We had to pivot when some of the tours canceled, and we had a bunch of kids show up, and we needed to create some activities. So we did 180, and we just brought them outside and created a bunch of art activities for them, and we started singing and dancing and doing all kinds of performance art. Today is our History and Culture BAM Festival, and we've got everything here.
2, make it up, everybody, go!
We've got drum circles happening where they're learning all about percussion music and how they can use rhythm to connect with one another.
1 time, go!
And they're also focusing on a lot of listening skills in the drum circle.
2 times, go!
We've got a bookstore where students get a chance to leave with 2 free books and a bunch of goodies like sunglasses and bookmarks and things like that. We also have Shanna Banana doing the Heartbeat of the Earth. It's one of her shows. She's doing it over there on the steps. Arts and Crafts, as well as Sensory Studio, is out here doing some more sensory play in the yard. We have breakdancing out here as well as Bollywood dance.
Join your partner!
That's maybe not necessarily something you'll experience on a day-to-day at school. So if they take an interest in those things, we hope that they are able to take those on in their life.
Oh my gosh, I love the children, I love the children, I love the children, and I love the arts. And so arts are just an excellent way to expose children to lots of things.
We just want them to have fun. We know that there's a more enjoyable learning experience outside of a classroom for sure. They get movement and they get to express themselves. They get to meet lots of other people. They get a chance to be creative. There's so many new experiences that they can have at a BAM festival, and this just happens to be one of them.
I do not remember school being that much fun. Good for them. Each BAMFest is paid for by the Bill Edwards Foundation for the Arts. The organization is always looking for volunteers, though, so that's one way you can always help. If you aren't in a position to donate money, you can volunteer and help those kids out. For more information, just go to our website, fox13news.com. It was a good time, right?
It is so good for the kids just to get out in the fresh air, to touch, to hear, to feel things. And it's just freeing. You never know how that will inspire them in their future.
Plus dancing, it gets all that energy out of them, right? And then when you bring them back into the classroom, maybe they're a little calmer. And they can focus a little better.
Shake all that silly stuff out. And thankfully, when they were out there, it was a decent day.
It was a nice
the sun was out, you know, it was dry.
A little cloudy today. In fact, we just had, some rain move through really most of the Tampa Bay area. There's some showers moving through now. Let's get an update now with meteorologist Paul Delgado. Hey, Paul.